Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to make typing silent on Android. Here are the steps to make typing silent on your Android device. First is to unlock your Android phone using your PIN, fingerprint, or pattern. Go to home screen and open the Settings app. Look for the gear icon in your app drawer or notification panel. Scroll down and tap Sound and Vibration. This controls sound settings for your device. Look for keyboard sound or touch sounds. Some phones list it as sound for key press, system sounds, or haptic feedback. Then toggle this off. On the settings, tap the search bar, then search keywords, keyboard sound, or similar option. Tap the relevant result, then tap on the on-screen keyboard. This will open the keyboard-specific sound settings. Select your default keyboard, for example, keyboard or Samsung keyboard. Find and tap the keyboard app you're currently using. Tap Preferences and the keyboard settings. This is where you can customize keyboard behavior. Toggle off Sound on key press if not already disabled. Some keyboards have sound settings within their own app. Optional, disable vibration on key press. You can also turn off keyboard vibrations, haptic feedback on key press. Here, you want to complete silence. Test it by typing in any app. Open Messages, Notes, or any text field to confirm that typing is now silent. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.